Do you want to bring your artwork or photos to life? Here's how to create a motion photo using a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. First, unlock your Galaxy Tab and get ready to create. And open your gallery and select the image you want to animate. Now gently swipe up from the bottom of the screen with your finger or S10. You will see the live effect icon appear at the bottom left. Please tap it. And just like that, your photo is now live with motion. You can tap the share icon to send it to friends or post it online. Finally, download and save it. Your animated photo will now appear in your gallery.